Silica forms a dense porcelain-like scale inside the boilers and turbines that cannot be removed even with acid. Its low thermal conductivity means even a 0.5mm buildup of silica can reduce thermal transfer by 28%, leading to reduced efficiency, hotspots, and eventual plant failure. ABB's Navigator 600 Silica Analyzer substantially cuts the costs and maintenance associated with silica monitoring in power generation applications. A thorough monitoring regime should see silica being measured around the steam generation and distribution cycle. A starting point is the demineralization plant, responsible for removing ionic contaminants from the makeup water. Monitoring at the plant outlet helps to measure the efficiency of the demineralization process. In drum boilers, silica levels are monitored inside the drum itself, with blowdown used to control silica levels. Monitoring the buildup of silica helps ensure the blowdown cycle is optimized. Measuring silica in the steam from the boiler at the superheater or turbine entrance gives a good indicator of overall steam purity. Keeping silica concentrations below 20 parts per billion should minimize scale deposition levels. Another source of silica contamination is the water returning to the boiler from the condenser. Untreated locally sourced water used to cool the steam can contaminate the boiler feed water if there's even a small leak between the process side and the cooling water. Continuous silica monitoring eliminates the need for frequent labour-intensive manual sampling and testing.